We have the restaurant Tandoori, where we have dinner.
Okay. We have some fruit and sweets.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba, how are you?
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Good?
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba. How are you?
Good. How are
Good.
you?
Jai
Welcome.
Baba. Jai Baba. Jai Baba.
Welcome to LA
Jai
Center.
Baba. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
बहनों आज जय बाबा जय बाबा जय बाबा జయ బాబా మీరందరూ తెలుగు వాళ్ళ జయ బాబా లేదండి కష్టం ఏమీ లేదు జయ బాబా జయ బాబా పర్మనెంట్ మెంబర్స్ మీరు
లేదు మీరు అందరూ వస్తారని మేము వచ్చాము.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి మీరు ఎంత దూరం నుంచి వస్తున్నారు
2000 కిలోమీటర్లు వర్జీనియా నుంచి వచ్చాము.
2000 కిలోమీటర్ల ఓ సో నైస్ ఆఫ్ యూ జై బాబా
Hi, Jai Baba.
you are living here
No, I like 20 minutes away.
20 minutes
So
away
close.
so
Yeah.
it's opened every day every week
Weekends.
weekends
Yeah.
Sunday
Yeah.
Very
we would
good.
love to do it every day, but we don't have enough people.
you don't have any people to
Yeah, like we don't have people like living here.
okay so how many people come this center every week
Weekends we get like 15 to 20,
15 to 20
but and then like bigger programs we get like 60.
so what program you have in the weekends
So like so yesterday we had a guest from Myrtle Beach.
Myrtle Beach, okay.
Jeff Wolverton.
Jeff
He does a lot of like Baba Zoom discussions. A lot
Right.
of people love what he knows about Baba.
Okay, okay.
And
so otherwise you
so
do
he was
kirtan
here
sankirtan songs etc Baba's
oh, sorry, say that again.
prayers
Oh, RT
And songs.
and for like Sahavas and like Baba's birthday and big events, yeah,
Okay.
and like Amartiti. But like yesterday, we just had like a guest speaker,
Guest speaker.
and food, and then we said some prayers.
right sir.
Yeah. So
Let's go inside
yeah, please. Hi, hey Baba.
Come on, please.
Welcome. I don't have your phone.
We go from here or you want? We can go from here and then we show you the other side. It's okay. No need. When we go to the dome, take your shoes off.
Okay.
Here, no need.
No need.
No need.
Okay. तो यहाँ को जल्दी है.
जी बाबा
This is the main hall here. So this is where all the programs happen. Main hall. So the speakers sit here and we videotape them and all that usually. Yeah. Then we have a bookstore here.
come on show me all the center
Yeah, this is our bookstore,
okay
but the books in India much cheaper. So
Printed in
yeah,
India and
better-
brought- brought here
yeah, exactly.
so these are sold in dollars
Yeah,
dollars
yeah.
dollars
USA.
no, these books are coming from India only
Not all of
Ah.
them, but quite a few. More and more they're coming from India.
so you have this keychains etc made in US or from India only
What?
these key rings and photos
Oh, they're all from India. You can buy them in India for much less. Some things here. Somebody made the samadhi.
right
Those are from here, but
Sure.
and you know some of this stuff.
but these are not for sale
Yeah, they're all for sale.
they are for sale how much it is
I don't know. I have
You
to go.
go.
Expensive. I think expensive. So we go to India, we buy things.
right you are you come every year for Amar Siddhi and the silence no
No, because I still work.
okay
My grandsons went to India and fixed a Baba's roof in
so
Baba in Marathon.
that Meher Khan
Huh?
this some lady she is maintaining that huh?
Painter.
No information and that room she is from US only Can
in Marizal.